name is Olukolwabi, Apats ICT Ventures. I'm here to teach you how to make money out of data reselling application. During my theory class, I've made mention, I've explained, I've described what is data reselling application and how can you make money out of it. This tutorial, or better said, this video will showcase how to use the data reselling application panel. The first module will be on how to use it on your laptop or PC. So with the knowledge of this training, you apply the principle to work on your mobile, to make use of this application, both the panel, website panel, and application on your mobile phone. Okay, let's start how to use these data reselling applications. Now, data reselling application comes with a website link. I have a website link. The first data reselling panel that I will introduce to you is Glad Tidings data reselling application. This is how it works. You go to their website, which is gladtidings.com. Then you hit your enter key. Good. It automatically takes you to their home page where you have access to register or log in to their account. So I will first introduce you how to register as an agent and a user of Glad Tidings data application. So to register with Glad Tidings application, you go through this link called register. You click on it. When you click on it, it automatically takes you to a login panel, okay, a sign up page whereby you have access to put in your full name. For example, let's put in MOOC ICT 18, assuming that's my full name, or let's say Apfats Ventures is my full name. Mind you, you have to input your full name, not your business name. Then you can input your business name as your user name. Assuming I have this as Apfats, then you input your email address, a valid email address, then a valid phone number, 209537, a valid phone number. When you are done with that, you input your referral username, and it is optional. It is optional. You can leave it blank, or you input the username of the person that refer you to this application, such as Apfats ICT Ventures. We are going to give you our referral code, which is of advantage to you if you let the server knows that you are from Apfats ICT Ventures. Then apart from that, you input your password. You can put anything here. Then you replicate what you have input in the first blank to the second blank, which is confirm password. When you are done, you hit on agree. You actuate this part of terms and condition. You can go through the terms and condition. It is advisable to go through the plans and condition of glad tidings application. Then when you are done, you hit your sign up button. Now when you hit your sign up button, automatically they will sign you up. That's how it works. Then when they sign you up with the application, you sign in. You hit on the sign in button, which you have access to username and password. Now let's input my username. Let me input my username and password. And you click on sign in. Good. This is my panel. This is my data panel. This is the demo data panel that I have just created for this training. You can see this is welcome adverts. I have found this account with 47 naira, which you can also fund yourself. Now when you are on the application, when you are on the panel, what you need to do after this is to fund your account. Now let's use your brief introduction to the panel, glad tidings data panel. You can see a button here, log out. Then you can also have access to this menu. When you click on it, you can open and close. When you open, you have access to your account balance. One, then you have access to your dashboard. This is what dashboard comprises. You can see all these: the account number, data wallet summary, data transaction, airtime transaction, wallet, upgrade to affiliate, and upgrade to top users. Then there are other options that denote your your bundles, your balance that you subscribed for. Now we also have the WhatsApp button, whereby you can contact the support team, and you can also join the glad tidings WhatsApp group. Now you can also access the bulk reseller data here. Then data card printing. The advantage of this platform is that you can also print out your data. You get the code from glad tidings and you get it printed on card, but this will be what printed as data card. Then also you can also use glad tidings app. You can also use glad tidings apps to sell airtime. You can use it to sell airtime, and you can use it also to buy airtime for yourself. Now we have buy data, and we have buy data pin coupon, and we have airtel to airtime to cash. You can convert your airtime to cash here with this button. Then you can also pay electricity bill using glad tidings app. Then you can also pay your cable subscription, such as the GoTV and other cable subscription. You can make use of this panel to buy and sell also. Then we have bonus to wallet. You can bonus to wallet, transfer to other user. You can transfer your balance to other users. Then bulk SMS, you can also have access to sell bulk SMS or send bulk SMS to people. You can also use this. You can also make use of this. You can also leverage on this as a business on its own, whereby you send bulk SMS to organization and other peoples that use bulk SMS to converge message to their audience. You can make use of it for advertisement purpose and so on. Then we have result checker here, whereby you can buy pin for WAEC, JAM and other exam pin. Now here we have recharge card printing. You can also print recharge card. I've made mention of data printing before this recharge card printing. You can also print recharge card printing, whereby this last option, this last command shows you, it will display all your referrals, those people you refer to glad tidings data application, whereby you have commissions on their transaction also. That's all about that data board. Now let's quickly talk about how to buy data using this panel. Now once you have fund on your wallet, you can buy data, instant data. You can buy it for yourself and you can also sell it out to your. Quickly talk about how to buy data on glad tidings. This is how to buy data. You click on buy data. Then what can you see on the platform when you click on buy data? Buy data, we have, this is what you see. You have here codes for data balance. This codes allows you to check your balance when you top up the SME, MTN SME. This is the code to check your balance. When you subscribe for MTN gifting, this is the code for checking your balance. We have two codes here. Then when you subscribe for 9 mobile gifting, this is the code for checking your balance, your data balance. Then when you subscribe for Airtel data, this is the code for checking your data. When you subscribe or top up a Glow data, this is the code, USD code to access your data balance. Now what again can you see on buy data platform? You have access to see what the networks, whereby all the available network will be displayed in this dialog box. We have MTN, Glow, Airtel, 9 Mobile and Smile. Now 2, you have access to data type. We have 4 modules of data type. One is gifting. Gifting is for they all have different prices. They all have different prices of data. Then prices and sizes of data. Now we have corporate gifting and we also have SME and SME2. My advice for all agents is to use corporate. You have to use corporate gifting or SME. When SME is not available, you can go for corporate gifting. Then when corporate gifting is not available due to the network error or glad tidings server, you can also make use of SME. So that is how it works for agents and normal user. You can select any of these options. It depends on what you want. Now when you are done with data type, you need to input the number, your number or your customer number you are popping up, or you want to fund his data wallet. You can type the number here, then you move to the next tab whereby you see plan. This plan is, for example, I choose corporate gifting. Corporate gifting has its own plan. When you click on it automatically bring out options of data gifting. Okay, let me select the network first. If you don't select network, nothing will be, it will not bring anything out. Now I'm selecting MTN here with a number here. Now let me click on the okay, please let me reload this option. Buy data, I selected MTN, then I'm selecting corporate gifting, then with a number, this I'm just using this as an example, it's not a valid phone number. Now let's move down. We have plans. When I click on it, you can see the price list of available sizes here from 50 MB to 100 gigabytes with prices denoted at the font, sizes, and the validity day and the days you can use it. We have 30 days all through here for corporate gifting. Can you see that? And anyone you like, you can click, or you can, maybe your customer order 3 gig, 5 gig, or 10 gig, you just click on it, then with the price in front of it. Make sure you add your own tariff, you add your own price to this normal price from to this glad tiding price. You can add 15 naira, you can add 100 naira. It depends on how you want to market what you have got, depends on how you want to sell it. You can add your own price or charges. So this is the normal cost, this is the cost price. All these are cost price of data. Glad tiding will never give you your own cost, will never pay you out of this. This is their own charges for you buying data on their platform. So you have to add your own commission, or let's say profit, to this amount. Now let's proceed. Then you can also see, payment medium. Payment medium, you have to select main wallet that you have founded. That means your account balance. We also have other options such as the MTN SME2 data balance. All these are not to be selected. You have to select main wallet. So for the purpose of this course, when you are done, you click on buy data. Now let's quickly move, since we are introducing the platform, not how to use this option. Now let's go to buy airtime. Buy airtime command, you have access to see this airtime top up. You click on what you have access to the network. We have 5 network available here, which you can select any one out of it. And when you are done, you input the number you want to top up, or your customer number that you want to sell data to, or your number. If you are using this as a user personally, you are using this application for your own personal use, you just input your number, then you input the value of card you want to buy, starting from 100 naira and above. You can input it here, then automatically automatically this platform will bring out the amount you are to pay, the cost price you are to pay for the airtime. Now let's click on the network. Let's say MTN. Then you here airtime type, you have to select VTU. Now when you add the number you want to send the airtime to, then you input this. Now look at this, 100 naira. When you want to buy a card of airtime of 100 naira, the cost price from the reseller app, which is Glatiding, they will charge you 96.5 for 100 naira. So you don't need to add your own profit here, because no one will. You will tell him you want to sell card for him and you said your card 100 naira is 120. They will never agree. So you have to sell it 100 naira as the normal price, but Glatiding will only deduct 96 naira 0.5 kobo as their own charges, which is 3.5% discount. Then the leftover amount is for you as an agent, the person running the business, or as an agent. Now we also have another option here, which we call utility payment. Utility payment allows you to pay other bills, such as your NEPA bill and so on. Now let's click on bill. Let's see what will come out of bill. We have electricity bill payment, whereby you select the name, the operator name. Ikeja, we have Ikeja, we have Ibadan, we have Eko. These are all their network, electricity bill payment network, that is available on Glatiding data, whereby you can easily select one, input the meter number, the account number, meter type. We have two types of meter. We have prepaid and postpaid. The normal postpaid is the one they bring bills every month, whereby you have account number to pay in your current charge in your wallet, in your electricity bill wallet, whereby you input the number here. Then we also have prepaid, whereby you buy cards prepaid. When you have a prepaid plan, when you have a prepaid meter, you can also buy card for your prepaid meter using this platform. Then look at the discount. We have 0.5% discount, assuming you are sending in 5,000 naira. Then okay, let's say 5,000 naira. Then you put your customer number here, then you validate it. It will bring the name of your user. Then this is the percent discount, whereby you have 0.5% discount out of this transaction as an agent, or you are using this app for personal use. So that's that. Then let's click on cable subscription. Now you have cable subscription here too, whereby you can select we have the networks of this, where you can select any of this. We have GoTV, we have DSTV, we have Star Time. You can select any one of this option and buy from it. Then let's go for GoTV. You input your smart card number, which is IUC number here. When you are done with that, you go to cable plan, whereby we have different subscription here. You select any of it, then you have 1% discount out of this cost. As an agent, you can call this plan for 1,400, adding 100 naira as your charges. That is normal, and you can still have a percent out of this from Glatiding, 1% discount on this when you are buying at this rate. And when you are buying from this platform, you automatically have 1% discount that Glad Tidings is going to deduct out of what you are paying from this 1,300. Then you can also even charge your customer if you are an agent that you are using this app as a business, not as personal use. And that's that. Now we are done with utility payments, and let's move to the second option here, command here, which is fund wallet. Now this is fund wallet. You have access to 3 payment options to fund your account. One is fund with payment gateway, which is ATM. You can let's click on it. Fund with payment gateway, which is ATM, which is what? ATM. Once you input the amount you want to fund, this is not, you are not buying data with this, or you are not buying data, or you are buying airtime. You want to fund your account, which you are going to be selling out data or ATM or airtime or other utility payments out of it gradually. If you are an agent, you are using this application for business purpose, you fund your account with some certain amount, then automatically this amount will be deducted gradually as you are selling out all these services. As you are selling it out, it will be deducting out of your wallet balance. So that's that. Then assuming you are using the ATM payment option, you input the value here. Let's say 20,000. You want your capital on this Glad Tiding to be 20,000. You can also put more than this. You can put 1 million and so on. It depends on how you want to the capital. It depends on the capital you want to use to start the business. But I will advise, if you have more than 100,000, it is I will advise you start with 50,000 or minimum of 20,000, depending on the scale of your customer presently at start. So that's that. Then when you click the amount here, you click on continue to funding.